Have you updated to Windows 11's latest security patch, released on January 13th, 2026? If you're using classic Outlook with Post Office Protocol accounts, you might be facing frustrating hangs and freezes. Microsoft has acknowledged this emerging issue, where Outlook won't exit properly, stays running in the background, and becomes unresponsive during use. If you are also facing such an issue, then you're not alone. Users across different forums are reporting the same panic. But don't worry, there is a quick, reliable way to recover your mailbox without waiting for Microsoft's patch. Meet the solution that empowers you to fix it yourself. Stellar Repair for Outlook is your DIY tool for repairing corrupted PST files caused by these crashes. It scans and recovers emails, attachments, contacts, calendars, and more with 100% data integrity preserved. Here's a quick demo. Select your PST file, run the scan, preview recoverable items in the tree view, and save to a new healthy PST. It works on Windows 11, supports Outlook 2007 to 2021, and handles large files effortlessly. That's it. Regain access to your emails instantly. Download the free demo of Stellar Repair for Outlook now and fix the issue for good. Link will be in the description.